JPC Toolset provides a comprehensive suite of tools for precise steel estimations. Key features include specialized columns such as quantity, weight, and painting surface area, which aid in meticulous and accurate assessments of steel materials. Users can export data in a variety of formats, including PDF and Excel, allowing for easy sharing and record keeping. The toolset supports a diverse array of steel types, such as WT, W, UL, ST, MT, MC, and many more. Our extensive selection empowers estimators to work with various steel profiles and shapes, providing versatility and adaptability to meet the specific needs of different projects. Offering a range of options and customization, JPC Toolset enhances the efficiency and accuracy of steel estimation processes. We currently provide our toolsets to Canada, America, India, Australia, and New Zealand. So visit jpctoolset.com for more information or to make an online purchase, and we look forward to serving you.